folks, Bob here. We got a 1953 Packard Caribbean convertible. Check this car out, won't you? Check out the hood on this car. It's got a little hood scoop kind of deal going on there. Did they put superchargers on these or something? So she's kind of spiffy. 750 built. Look at this chrome. You got it what arched the wheel wells like a Buick. That is a beautiful car. Packard. Man, that is a beautiful car. I don't want to open the door because they got a sticker that says do not touch. All right, folks. We're just over here at the auction there doing preview day. Got some beautiful cars here, but we got to go. We got somewhere we need to go. So let me turn you off. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, that's a holler. That's an Oldsmobile.